Today we are going to see comparison of PHP and Python. So PHP or Python, which one is actually better? You have probably seen most of the people are arguing about this everywhere. So they are just fighting. But honestly, most of those answers are incomplete. So let's break it down properly. So in this video, I will compare Python and PHP based on performance, job security, salary, and ease of learning and real world use cases. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which one you should choose. Okay, let's start with learning. Python is definitely easier and clean syntax, and can say it's a beginner friendly, but PHP can feel a bit confusing at first, but once you get used to it, so it becomes very practical for web development. So if I am talking about the use case, so now this is where the things getting interested. So if you are targeting AI, data science or automation, so Python is the clear winner. But if your goal is building website or API, especially with Laravel, so PHP is still extremely powerful. So if talking about the jobs, so Python was a strong demand across multiple domains like web development, AI, data science, everywhere. But PHP still powers a huge part of the web, and Laravel developers are in high demand. So the next part is performance. So if we are talking about the performance, so for the web application, PHP is highly optimized and performance really well. But Python can slightly slower in the web development. But in other domain like AI, automation and data heavy tasks, Python is winner. There is one question coming in my mind. Which one you are learning right now? So just comment PHP or Python in the comment section. Okay, so here is the truth most people don't tell you. There is no best language. The best language is one that matches your goal. If you are going for web development, so go for PHP. If you are going for AI and data science and data heavy tasks, so go for Python. Choosing a language is not about hype, it's about your goal. So what types of project you are going to start, it's depend on that thing only. So if I'm talking about the salary comparison of I can say Python and PHP. So now let's talk about something everyone cares about, the salary part. So if I'm talking about in according to Glassdoor, so in India, Python developer have minimum salary is 6 LPA to 20 LPA, and PHP developer is just 3 LPA to 12 LPA in India. But if I talking about the US Python developer, so it's $90,000 to 160, means $1,60,000 max to max in USA. And if I'm talking about the PHP developer, so $70,000 to $120,000. Okay, so yes, Python generally has higher salary potential, but remember, salary depends more on your skill and domain, not just the language in which domain you are working. A Python development also working on web, on working on AI and data science, and also like different domain also. So if you want to work in AI, automation and high paying data roles, so Python is great choice. If you want to become a backend developer and build a real world application, so PHP with Laravel is still a solid and practical options. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how to build real projects step by step. If this video is helpful for you, so please like this video and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updated video from my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.